भौशीक बांधकाम खात्याच्या मुख्य अभियंत्याकडे राज्यातल्या सगळ्या रस्त्यांचो अहवाल मागतलो। या अहवालाचो नियाळ घेतले उपरांत खंयचे रस्ते वायट स्थितीत आसा ते कळटले। ज्या रस्त्याची सामकी चवथीकाय जाल्या ताची पयली दुरुस्ती करतले म्हूण दिगंबर कामत हांणी बुधवारा मंत्रीपदाचो ताबो घेतले उपरांत आश्वासन दिले।
फर्स्ट, I will take the review of the entire system from the chief engineer and everybody, and then I will decide my policies. They have a power department घेतली त्यांना केले. Same time I will discuss with the engineers, ask them to give me a presentation. What is the situation as on today? What is required to be done in short time? What is required to be done on long time? So whatever is required for short term, that will be deciding first priority wise, and then what is required in the long term, that will be deciding subsequently. Pothole becomes a first short term priority. म्हणजे pothole जावं खंय रस्तो पेड्ड्यार जाला खंय कितें जाला ते पावर मिनिस्टर हांव जालो पळय तेन्ना लोकांक 10 वरां 8 वरां लायक आसता. I'm asked them to give me a presentation, so I will come to know which roads are having good situation, which roads are having worse situation. So whichever roads are having worse situation, that will be taken up on priority. No, I will first let me talk to them. Without talking to them, I cannot make any statement because I have asked them to give me a presentation. Which are the worst roads, which are the other types of roads where you require immediate attention. So they are the best people who know everything. I might not have traveled to villages. They have got divisions everywhere, so they know what is the situation of each road. So that they will give me in detailed presentation, and then I will tell them.
मजगती पणजेतल्या रस्त्याविशीं भौशीक बांधकाम खात्याचो मंत्री दिगंबर कामत हांचेकडे चर्चा केल्ल्याचे मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात सांगता। आता दिगंबर कामत भौशीक बांधकाम खात्याचो मंत्री आशिल्ल्यान पणजेतले रस्ते पयलीं सारखे जातले अशें मंत्री बाबूशाचे म्हणणे।
I just met the Honorable PWD Minister, Mr. Digambar Kamath now. Commissioner also was with me, and I just told him to look after as far as the roads are concerned. And he has promised me and assured me that the roads of Panjim will be taken. Now Mr. Digambar Kamath is holding the position of a Minister for PW, and I have got 100% guarantee that the roads of Panjim, as far as the Panjim roads are concerned, it will be back again to its original form. As I told you, I have already met the PWD Minister, and PWD Minister has promised me as far as the Panjim roads are concerned, because Panjim is a capital city. All functions, everything happens in Panjim. So roads of Panjim should be in tip-top condition, and it will be done.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर वर्षा श्वेकार।